It is our responsibility to protect the art and to make sure that it's here for generations to come.
When I first visited the DIA, the biggest challenge is they weren't receiving the quality of the video that they wanted.
And it was on very old technology. It was on a DVR technology. What that afforded us was really nothing more than evidence after the fact, and it wasn't that good. So we could have put in a traditional surveillance system, but that's all reactive. Axis had that solution for this project, and that's where Sentry came in. They were able to marry the backbone of the hardware into their software.
It's the only product that was developed within a museum to use advanced software to put protective barriers around the entire collection. We partner with Axis because the technology, they're very innovative in the solutions, and in a museum, the fabric of a museum is very important. You don't want to disturb it.
When you're patrolling a gallery nonstop, there are a lot of blind spots. You're not seeing them. And there's no security officer that doesn't want to protect the art in their gallery.
One of the unique features of Sentry is the ability to also deploy speakers in different locations. And when a zone is breached or when an alarm is generated, it will automatically generate an audible alert.
You are too close to the exhibit. Please step back.
By far, the first reaction is to step back from the paintings, and it's really reflexive. The verbal alarm gives us a little bit more validation in what we're trying to communicate to the patron. If there is no audible alarm, it comes off as a little more subjective.
We've done some studies that we found that 75 times more touches of collection pieces are occurring than what the museum staff sees and reports. The thing about Sentry is we can prevent, on average, 92% of those touches with the audible alerts.
The building in and of itself, it presented a significant challenge. You're not going to find too many people who want to try to penetrate marble to run a wire. One piece of equipment that we used a lot throughout this project was a camera that required one network cable to come into the space, and it would allow us to take 4 camera views, and it was instrumental in not only hitting an aggressive timeline, but also keeping us under budget too. We're getting very high definition quality video from every camera that we've installed. It allows us to have just a tremendous surveillance system throughout the museum.
The reports that we've been monitoring and reviewing together have helped us tremendously. Looking at hotspots has helped us develop a lot of strategies.
One of the things that we identified early on was this really unique hotspot where we were getting a lot of proximity alarms, so a lot of people that were just getting too close. And what we found out was there was a bench in that gallery near those pieces that was just forcing people to walk too close to the art. We removed the bench and the problem disappeared.
It's really kind of changed the culture here around how we observe behavior and how we protect objects.
The biggest success factor for this entire project is the protection of our collection. This system has changed the way we do business, not just in the protection services department, but really throughout the whole museum.